Welcome to the Idaho Transportation Permits System, also known as ITRPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through navigating the shopping cart in ITRPS at www.permitsforidaho.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the ITRPS user tutorial videos link. Once a permit application has been approved by an ITD user or has been self-issued by ITRPS, the permit will be available for purchase in the shopping cart. Approved permits will remain in the shopping cart until they are purchased or until their start date. Permits not purchased by midnight of the requested start date will be automatically canceled at midnight and given a no payment status. These permits will no longer be available for purchase and a new application will need to be submitted. The shopping cart can be accessed from the shopping cart button or from the shopping cart link. The shopping cart button is located directly on the company dashboard and provides a summary of what is in your shopping cart awaiting payment. The shopping cart link is located in the menu panel and provides detailed information regarding permits available for purchase. To purchase permits in your shopping cart from the shopping cart button, click the shopping cart button on the dashboard to display the summary, and then click the Go to Cart link. Clicking the Go to Cart link or clicking the shopping cart link in the menu panel will direct users directly to the shopping cart to purchase permits. The permits ready for payment and/or printing screen will be displayed. From this screen, you can click the View Permit button to view the permit details or the Cancel Permit button to cancel the permit. Click the Pay checkbox above each individual permit to be purchased, or check the Select All checkbox to select all permits in the shopping cart. The Order Total section will display the total dollar amount of the permits selected for payment. To pay for the permits selected, click the Pay Now button. The Pay for Permits screen will be displayed. Verify the permits listed for payment or those that were selected for purchase. Click the Pay for Verified Permits button to continue the payment process, or click the Cancel button to return to the company dashboard. The payment information screen will be displayed. Click the Submit button to be redirected to the credit card processor site. Continue processing through the payment screens, entering the required information. If paying by a credit card and the card is declined or the transaction is canceled from the LexisNexis site, the permit will be on hold for 20 minutes and unavailable in the shopping cart until the 20-minute hold time has expired. After the 20-minute hold time has expired, you must go back into the shopping cart to continue the payment process. When the payment transaction is complete, click the Return to ITRPS dashboard to return to ITRPS. Verify the permits are displayed on the company dashboard with a status of issued or issued prior. Once the permit is issued, it can be accessed by the permit number hyperlink on the company dashboard. The permit will be additionally delivered to you via the delivery method chosen during the permit application process. Another option to view and print the permit PDF is by clicking the Select link in the Action column to the right of the issued permit, then selecting the View Permit option. This will display the permit details containing all the permit information. Click the Docs PDFs tab and scroll to the bottom, where the permit number hyperlink will be listed. Click on the Open Hyperlink in the View column to view the permit PDF and print the permit. To print a no-charge permit, click the Shopping Cart button and then select the Go to Cart link, or click the Menu button and then select the Shopping Cart link. A no-charge permit will go to the shopping cart once it is approved but before it is issued. Check the Print checkbox above each no-charge permit. Click the Print Now button. Printing the permit is equivalent to issuing the permit. The permit will be additionally delivered to you via the delivery method selected during the permit application process. This concludes the ITRPS user tutorial video on navigating the shopping cart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.